Never a dull moment, just like what's on the Intense 5.
Number 5.
Sean Kingston's mom was sentenced to 5 years in federal prison, and she also faces deportation. Not good at all. Sean gets sentenced in the next few weeks, so let's see what happens there. It is sad though.
Number 4.
Elephant Man, who is known for his remixes of basically anything, has remixed Pretty Little Baby. Some things just need to remain preserved in their original state, but what do you think?
3.
Stark Ashley versus Russian. Why all the Cass have to make social media? At the end of the day, the gatekeeper Russian has the final say.
Number 2.
Keisha Kaur says all Gucci Mane gotta do is shower and make music. She's got everything else. Watch how Jamaican women gonna get swooped up. This is definitely the definition of stand by your man. And finally, holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Masca cleared the air after his Sumfest performance, where he stated that this was his last Sumfest. He said he was not being disrespectful to Cartel at all, and nothing needs to chill out. Maybe he didn't say it that nicely, but you get the drift. He said Jashi was feeling nice and just made some statements because he was on that vibe. But what do you think? Send us a DM on our IG page at TVJ Intense and tell us what you think should have made the list. Up next, an intense interview with Stevie Face. We're soon forward.